Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Mazda 3 2-litre Sport Lux. This car's finished in machine grey metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, front parking sensors, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim along the door tops. You've got the rear privacy glass, 18-inch grey alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery, the rear passenger area. So in the rear passenger area you've got room for 3 passengers. Centre armrest with twin cup holders, ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, so moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel, inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors, controls on the dashboard for the stop start. You've also got the parking sensors you can turn off, and then you've got the accident and information control center on this button here. So the mileage on this car has done 29,964 miles. Centre armrest with internal storage box. There's a USB and 12-volt plug-in for accessories. So you've got the media control centre there, so you've got the small dial for the volume and the on-off switch. The large dial controls which function you're wanting to use. So into the home page on the media system, it's just a matter of turning the dial to decide which function you're wanting. So into the entertainment, you've got the FM, AM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, CD player, and you've also got the USB connections, full screen navigation system, and then you've got the reversing camera, so when you place the vehicle in reverse there's your outside view. Twin cup holders, CD player, and you've got heated front seats, dual climate control, controls on the indicator stalk for the lights, and this has got automatic headlamps, You've got rain sensitive wipers, controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. You've got cruise control on the other side, which is the adaptive cruise control. On the moving back outside the car again, on the mirrors you've got blind spot detection. Moving forward now, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.